End result, salmon looks perfectly cooked. I have it on top of couscous with a side of the tzatziki sauce. Okay, so I got a big fillet of fresh caught sockeye salmon. That's the only kind I buy. I do not mess with Atlantic salmon. And this is adapted from Ina Groton, one of her Barefoot Contessa cookbooks. So what I did is you put it in a baking dish. You take olive oil, lemon juice, salt and pepper, and then I go ahead and pour that over the salmon. I season liberally with salt and pepper. And then over here, I have some herbs. I have fresh garlic, I have lemon zest, I have chives, and I have dill. Ina Groton calls for a couple of different things like parsley. I just didn't have it and didn't want to go back to the store. So I'm gonna put this over my salmon fillets. I was skeptical. It does not taste too herbaceous. It does really well in the oven. Oven is set at 425. We put it in there for about, I don't know, 10 to 15 minutes. After this, I'm just gonna splash some white wine in here.
Uh-oh.
If I can get it open.
There you go.
Whew.
Good job, sweetie.
About 1/4 of a cup. Okay, and all of that alcohol will burn off in the oven. It won't taste like it. And that's it. I'm making homemade tzatziki sauce. I do not have a recipe. I'm just kind of putting this together. Might not be super traditional. Putting as much Greek yogurt as I think we need. I'm gonna put some very finely sliced onions. That's just how I like it. And cucumber in there. I'm gonna put some dill. We're gonna squeeze some lemon juice, catch the seeds. I have a half a lemon. Going to put some red wine vinegar. And then I'm gonna put some feta cheese in here. I'm going to season with some salt and pepper. This is also to taste. And then I am going to kind of whip it up with a fork, mash a little bit of this feta cheese down, and then I'm gonna put it in the fridge. I like to let it marinate for a little bit, so if you do this during your day, it'll be perfect for dinner. I'm doing a quick one, so I'm gonna put it back in the fridge for about 15 minutes. And that's it.
Lark, what you doing? What are you doing?